How to recover my eyes only photos on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log into your account. Now tap profile picture in top left corner of the screen. Next, select your icon at top right corner. Now scroll down and you have to simply tap on Help Center. Simply here are some of the search. Further, you can simply scroll down and tap Contact Us button. Now from the section, tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and tap on Memories. Now tap on Yes button and choose Using My Eyes Only. After waiting for a while, you need to scroll to the bottom of the screen again and tap on Yes button. Here you need to enter your username, email and description about your issue that you want to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only Deleted Photos. And then you need to simply tap on Submit button. And once you submit your issue, Snapchat support will be able to recover your Snapchat My Eyes Only Deleted Photos after certain hours. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.